Hey guys, welcome back to ADILS Leg. It's your boy Luke here, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my office slash room. I've been working on my office for like 2 years, slowly building up, and now it looks proper nice. I've got loads of stuff, but it takes hard work. I've worked not just making YouTube videos. I don't think I've made a lot of money from YouTube, but it's my personal work. I'm a photographer, so I do photography work, and I've worked in local stores as well. But yeah, just want to give you a tour of my office, everything I have. I'm gonna try and leave all the links for most of them if I can find them, but if I don't, I'm really sorry guys. But yeah, let's begin with the video guys. So guys, first of all I'm gonna show you my desk. It's from IKEA. It's actually 3 desks I've put together as one giant desk. As you can see, it's just really huge. I'm not even sure how I'm filming this, but hopefully I'm getting everything inside. As you can see, it's pretty long. It's 3 desks I've put together. So it's a lot of stuff. It's a huge desk, but I filled out the entire room because I have loads of stuff and it just needs space for my stuff and filming gear. But yeah, so let's start off with the main desk, which is what's in the middle here. It's a corner desk. As you can see, I've got my Apple Thunderbolt display, which is and I'm using my Mac Pro to power that. It's the Mac Pro, the trash can, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, I've got Lego figures everywhere, and I'm sure if you're new and if you've been on my channel before, you know I'm a big fan of Lego, so I've got loads of Legos everywhere. But yeah, I currently use the Apple Magic Keyboard and a Logitech MX mouse, and I've got my iPhone and iPad there on the side, which is both this last year, so the iPhone XS and iPad Pro 12.9 inch. And here I've got a few Googles. I've got the Google Home and the Hub, as well as one of the Sony speakers, which is my favorite one. But on this side I've got my iMac and my Mac Pro and my MacBook, as well as a Windows laptop, as well as my Nintendo Switch in the corner, as you can see. But yeah, this is just for my day-to-day use. If I don't need to do any heavy editing and stuff like that, as I'm a photographer, I need loads of editing gear, so that's why I have that. But yeah, let's just swipe over, and I'm using a Sony surround system. That's why I've got so many speakers on the desk. On this side I've just got some more stuff, some headphones, and some few more Lego stuff. And this side is like the gaming gear, so I've got Asus laptop, a gaming laptop in there, some Razer gears, as well as some more Lego stuff. On this side I've got my unboxing knife, which I just got a new one, a gold color, but it's too big, so that's hard to use in the video. So I've got a light stand as well. But yeah, that's what's on my desk. Lots of stuff. It's a huge desk guys, and I've got tons of stuff. And if I pan above my desk, let's see if I can get that to work, and I've got all my Apple products. So I'm a big Apple fan. I had a ton of Apple products in the past. As you can see, I've got everything up there. I've kept the boxes. I just love the boxes, so I didn't want it to throw them out. That's why I've kept them there. So yeah. And if we come further down, I've got my printer and some more boxes, my router, and I've just got some cabinets. The desk, it's very complicated the way I've made it. It's just from IKEA. It's the KALLAX drawer set, and got some LINNMON top. Everything is just very complicated. I can't remember how I built it. It's just been ages, and I've got the KALLAX drawer there. I've got them on both sides. But yeah, it's very complicated. I'll see if I can make a video on just how I build it and all the stuff I used. As you can see, I've got like monitor stands as well. Let's just pan over here. Let's go further out and go to this side. I've got another KALLAX drawer, and I've got a Sony speaker. Yeah, let's see what I've kept in my drawers guys. I just got some personal stuff. In the second one, I've got all my Apple Watch straps. As you can see, I've got those. I'm just using this watch box, which I've put all my straps inside, and it just keeps them nice and organized, which is really nice. If you want a video on that, do let me know in the description guys. Let's go further down. In here I've got this little cable management box. I'm not how sure everything comes on video guys, so do bear with me. I've got loads of cables here, so all my cables are organized, so from aux cable to lightning cables, micro USB, remotes and adapters, everything. And in the next one, let's just come further down, I've got all my non-power cables, so anything that's connecting, so aux cable, HDMI, just tons of stuff, VGA cables, Ethernet ports, cables, just a ton of cable, guys. I do have a lot of stuff, so I need a lot of cables. And the last one, let's just see if I can zoom further down. I've got all my power cables, so anything that connects to a power outlet are in here. So if I need to charge my laptops, I've got them here. Other power cables for my lights, for my camera gears, it's all in here. But yeah, let's look on the other side now. The ones I got just personal documents. On this one, I've got all my camera stuff, so SD card slots, light remotes and stuff like that, some batteries. I need to clean this up, but it's a mess. And the next one, I've got all my like cable ties and all of those stuff, drawers and stuff. I know it's messy, I've never had the time to clean this one up, but yeah. And in the last one, I've got all my Lego stuff and stuff like that, anything to do with Lego, the books and stuff. But yeah, and on the other side of my desk, which is like just from this corner bit, I've got my 43-inch LG, which is a 4K TV, and this is my gaming place. So I've got a PlayStation 4 Pro and a PlayStation VR at the bottom here, and there I've got some of the products I'm currently reviewing, which I bought from Amazon. But yeah, that's another drawer from IKEA, which I've just put together. But yeah, this is just my TV for playing games, watching movies. I'll just use that. Nothing much there, guys. I've got controllers on both sides, some LED lights. I do have loads of stuff, and I'll try and go over as much if I can, guys. But yeah, that's what's on this side. That is just how my setup is. I'm just gonna do some close-ups of items so you got something to see while I'm talking. But yeah, guys, this is my setup. I know it's not a long video, it's just a short video. I'll probably do one later onwards, but this is how my setup is currently now. I've worked very hard for this over a long time of period. But yeah, this is all my stuff now, just from working. As I said, I'm a photographer, that's why I have so many like cameras and gears everywhere. And yeah, this is just my current office now, set up with all my computers and gaming stuff. I do play PlayStation. I don't have an Xbox. I might want to get Xbox, but yeah, let's see it later on the line. But yeah, guys, this is what I use. So as you can see, I'm an Apple fan. I got most Apple stuff, but I do have other like PC and Windows stuff, so I'm not that sad. And yeah, and most of you guys have seen me already by now. I'm a big Lego fan. I've got the Star Destroyer there, and I've got the X-Wing as well. The Z-Wing, sorry. But yeah, just loads of stuff in my rooms from all the gaming and stuff. And if you need any, if you want to ask me stuff, just leave them in comments and I'll try and do videos on them. Not everything I've done videos in my office. Some of the stuff I've just too difficult to do. But now I might just try if I can do them. But yeah, guys, this is how my office is right now. Just a quick tour, just view the stuff and everything, how I keep it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Take care.